Title: Legacy of the Lion. Beyond the dog's reach, Assad, a mighty lion, and his cub, Ameerah, ruled the savannah with strength and pride. One day, hunters captured Assad, dragging him away in chains. They took Ameerah too, intending to raise her with their pack of dogs. When Ameerah arrived at the hunters' camp, she was surrounded by the dogs, but she never tried to mimic them. She didn't seek their companionship, nor tried to behave like them. She stood tall, fierce and proud, untouched by their growls or barks. The dogs circled her, but Ameerah remained unbothered, her eyes sharp, her spirit wild. She refused to bow to their ways or their rules. As days passed, the hunters grew increasingly frustrated. Ameerah didn't adjust. She didn't play with the dogs, didn't follow their commands, and refused to live under the confines of their camp. Her strength only grew as she remained untamed, her wild heart longing for nothing but freedom. Realizing they couldn't control her, the hunters decided to release Ameerah. They led her to the jungle's edge, where she walked away with quiet confidence. The dogs barked in confusion, but Ameerah's path was clear. She was meant for the wild, not for their world. Moral of the story: not all are meant to fit into the same mold. Some people are like dogs, easy to follow and adapt, while others are like lions, strong, independent, and destined for greatness on their own terms. Please do like, share, and comment.